pagmata. I'm doing this. It's not a greeting song. If children are sleepy with a lecture of your boring math lesson or history, sometimes we don't know how to play games with you have to let this part of your icebreaker. But this could be also a greeting song because narida an adlaw na sirang an bukad na buklan tukga o kunyan manok. Now, if you want to use this as your icebreaker, part na nga turog, di ka masaway nga, instead, you just sing. Tukga o kunyan manok, pagmata na bata na turog, an adlaw na sira, an bukad na buklad, tuktuga o bunihan manok. So when you sing that, and then repeat off. So kung you want to use it as a greeting song, don't use an adlaw nasirang. Nasirang ng adlaw, nabuklad ng bukad. Meaning, di rin aga. It happened already. Pero kung you use that an adlaw nasirang, it's the beginning of the day. An bukad, nabuklad pala. It's a greeting song. But if you want to use it as an icebreaker, you can use it in the afternoon. In between, you change it. Sumirang ng adlaw, binuklad ng bukad. But be careful, the syllabication must be the same. An adlaw nasirang. 6. So how do you change it? Sumirang ng adlaw. 6 kaya. Binuklad na an bukad. So ayusin nga naan. Nan bukad. Binuklad ng bukad. So, allowed manitiya. Shortcut me the one. Kung in between niya, sumirang ng adlaw, binuklad ng bukad, tuktuga o unihan manok. Simple as that. So to let somebody feel awakened